false. Next, which of the following statements is true? First one is x equals to 2 upon 3 raised to 5 divided by 2 upon 3 the whole square. This full is x. Then the value of x square plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. You need not even solve this. I have solved this, but you need not even solve this. Why? Because x is plus. Is there any minus sign in between? So this answer will definitely be plus. Now if this answer is plus and you input this value in this expression, can this ever be 0? Because it is plus means some number will be there. That's why this answer can never be 0. So this statement is ultimately false. But in books it's solved, so I'll just show you how to solve this. X equals to this given. What you do is instead of divide write this upon. So 2 upon 3 raised to 5, the whole upon 2 upon 3 the whole square. Base is same. So x raised to m upon x raised to n equals to x raised to m minus n. So 2 upon 5 raised to 5 minus 2. Okay. So equals to 2 upon 5 raised to 3. Now put it in the expression x square plus 2x plus 3. So what is x? 2 upon 5 the whole cube, the whole square, right? X square plus 2 into 2 upon 3 the whole cube plus 2 into 2 upon 3 the whole cube plus 3. Then everything is plus. So will this answer ever be 0? It will be point something or whatever number it may be. It can never be 0. That's why the answer is false. Next statement. If minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 the whole raised to 8 equals to minus 2 the whole raised to 4x, then x equals to 1. Here, minus raised to any number which is even is plus. So if you remove this minus from all, then also it's okay. But if you keep it for 1, keep it for all. Here, keep this logic clear. If you want to keep the minus, then keep it for all. If you want to remove the minus, remove it for all. Okay. So left hand side equals to what? Minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 raised to 8. Solve this. Minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into, this is 8 means what? 4 plus 4, right? So separate this. How do you separate this? Minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 the whole raised to 4. Why? Base is same. Here, what is the law of index? This is the law of index. X raised to n into x raised to m equals to x raised to n plus m. We are doing it the reverse way. We have this term now and we are separating it into two separate terms. N plus m, we are separating it. Why have we done this in only 4 and not 5 and 3 or 6 and 2? Because here we have 4 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 4. So we can take this common. So minus 1 upon 2 into minus 2, right? The whole raised to 4 into this minus 2 raised to 4 as it is. Now this minus minus gets cancelled. 2 1 are 2. This becomes 1 raised to 4 into minus 2 raised to 4, right? So minus 2 raised to 4, 1 raised to 4 is 1. Minus 2 raised to 4, keep it as it is. Don't solve this because you want to equate this with the right RHS. So minus 2 raised to 4 equals to minus 2 raised to 4x. Base is same, compare the indices. 4 equals to 4x, right? Solve this, x equals to 1. So the given state